Turning the engine, 12J907. Turning good. At the front engine looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. And on this side everything's good. Engines without any damage. As well as the windows without any water inside. Same as well like a gearbox. No broken. And on this side everything's good with the engine. Altimeter conditions. And on the top all connectors no broken. Plastic slit without any damage, as you can see. And on the bottom all the time without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, 12J907.